On this question, we want to solve the exponential equation 60e to the x minus 2 equals 5. So to solve this exponential equation, we typically have 3 different methods that we follow. The first one is relating the bases, where we try to make the bases the same on both sides. We can't do that on this example because we have a base of e on one side and we don't have e on the other side. So the other methods we use are to convert to a logarithm or to take the log of both sides. I can show you both of those methods. In those methods of converting and taking the natural log of both sides, you want to isolate the exponential. So x minus 2 is your exponent, and that's attached to e. And so our exponential is e to the x minus 2. We want to have that isolated on one side of the equation. So we're going to start by dividing both sides by 60 to isolate that exponential. 5 over 60 will reduce to 1 over 12. Once we have it isolated, let's first convert this to a log. When we convert, we write the word log, and we're going to use the base of the exponential, so that's base e. The log always equals the exponent, so that's going to be x minus 2, and then the 1/12 is substituted inside the logarithm. We don't typically write log base e. E is a special base, it has special notation, and that special notation is ln, standing for natural log. So we would typically see this written as natural log of 1/12 equals x minus 2. Now to finish solving the equation, I would add 2 to both sides, and that gives x equals natural log of 1/12 plus 2. So that's if we were solving the equation by converting. I want to show you how we would do it if we were to take the log of both sides. So I'll rewrite the equation. We have 60 e to the x minus 2 equals 5. So once again, we would need to isolate the exponential. I would divide both sides by 60. That would give e to the x minus 2 equals, we'll reduce that, 5 over 60 to 1/12. And then I'll take the natural log of both sides. Natural log e to the x minus 2 equals natural log of 1/12. Once you introduce the logs, you now are able to use the properties of logarithms. And one of the properties is using the power rule. And the power rule allows us to move that power into the coefficient. So this would be x minus 2 times natural log e equals natural log of 1/12. Now natural log e is equal to 1. So this is x minus 2 times 1 equals natural log of 1/12, and that's x minus 2 equals natural log of 1/12. Once again, we have to get x by itself, so we would add 2 to both sides, and that gives x equals 2 plus natural log of 1/12. Now sometimes you're asked to type this in a calculator, so I have my calculator here, and we'll type this in as, let me give myself some space. We're going to type 2 plus natural log of 1/12. And we'll round that to, let's say, 3 decimal places. If we round it to 3 decimal places, that would be negative 0.489. Let me just double check that. 485. That would be 485. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.